How to pay with gift card on McDonald's app. Let's get started. If you have ever wondered how to pay with a gift card, you have come to right place. First things first, head over to your app store and download the McDonald's app. It's really quick and easy. You can download the McDonald's app and log into your account. Or also you can use the web version. For that, open your preferred browser and head towards mcdonalds.com. With that, you will land to the login page. Now you can log into your account, and with that, you will land to the homepage of McDonald's. After you log in, you might notice something missing, the option to pay with a gift card. But don't worry, we have got the solution. To use gift card, you'll need to visit a physical McDonald's location. Unfortunately, it is not possible to use gift card for online orders. When you are ready to pay for your meal, simply select gift card as your payment method at the checkout counter. Then just swipe or scan your gift card to complete your purchase. It's as easy as that. If in the future McDonald's comes up with pay with gift card feature on the app, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear if you can pay with gift card on McDonald's app or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.